Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, which is calendar. But before moving on to the topic of calendar, I would like to tell you about the topics which we have covered. So we have covered problems on train, profit and loss, permutation and combination, probability, number series, problems on ages, partnership, simple interest and compound interest, height and distance, set theory, percentage, average, time and work. Now we are going to cover the topic of calendar, but before moving on to the topic of calendar, I would like to solve the homework problem which was given in problem on ages part 2, and after that we will move to the problem of calendar. So the question was, Sachin is younger than Rahul by 7 years if their ages in the respective ratio of 7:9. How old is Sachin? You have 5 options and the answer is option D. Now let's see how. Well, you will consider Rahul age be x years, then Sachin age will be x minus 7. So you will just write it as we write in the ratio x minus 7 by x equals to 7 by 9, which is already given in the question. After solving this, you will get it at 9x minus 63 equals to 7x, which will be equals to 2x equals to 63. So you will get x equals to 31.5, and with the help of x, which means Rahul age, you can calculate the age of Sachin. So I hope I am clear with the solution and the answer. Now we will move on to the topic of calendar, but before moving on to the topic of calendar, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Before going into the details of questions of calendar, we will go with the basics first. So in calendar, generally the questions are about odd days or leap year. So let us understand what are odd days. So we are supposed to find the day of a week on a given date. For this we use the concept of odd days. In a given period, the number of days more than the complete weeks are odd days. So what happens is if you have like 7 days are given, okay, so number of days more than the complete weeks are called odd days. About leap year, I know you all know about leap year. So after every 4 year there is a leap year, and a leap year has 366 days, which means in February month there are 29 days. So every year divisible by 4 is a leap year. If it is not, it is a century. Every fourth year is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. Then there are some examples. Each of the years is a leap year: 1948, 2004, 1676, etc. As you can see, they are divisible by 5. Each of the years 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, etc. is a leap year. Well, they also can be divided by 4. None of the years is a leap year. 2001, 2002, 3, 5, 1800, 2100 is a leap year. Well, that is because they are not divisible by 4. Ordinary year. The year which is not a leap year is called ordinary year. Like we have 2020. This is a ordinary year which have 365 days and not 29 days in February. So counting of odd days, one ordinary year has 365 days, which means 52 weeks plus 1 day. One ordinary year has one odd day. One leap year is equals to 366 days, so 52 weeks plus 2 days. So one leap year has 2 odd days. For 100 years, you can calculate, you will have 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap years. And so this 76 into 1, because each ordinary year have one odd day and each leap year have 2, so we will multiply 76 by 1 and 24 by 2, which will be equals to 124 odd days. So that means in 100 years you will have 5 odd days. 17 weeks plus days equals to 5 odd days. Now number of odd days in 200 years equals to 5 into 2, which is equals to 3 into 2 days. Now why we did this here? Because we know that for 100 years we have 5 odd days, right? So for 200 years we will multiply 5 by 2 because 5 was of 100. Now we have 200. So 5 into 2, and that is 3 odd days. Number of odd days in 300 years, 5 into 3. Number of odd days in 400 years, 5 into 4 plus 1. Why plus 1? Because you know that after 4th year a leap year comes, right? So that will equals to 0 odd day. Similarly, each one of 800 years, 1200 years or 1600 years has 0 odd days. Okay, so now days of the week related to odd days. Sunday is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this was about the basics of calendar for solving any questions. I hope I am clear with the basics, because if you need to solve the questions of aptitude with calendar, so you need to understand the basics and only then you can solve the questions. The questions are very easy, but I don't know why students generally found it very difficult. So we will move on to some of the basic questions now. So it was Sunday on Jan 1st, 2006. What was the week of Jan 1st, 2010? Okay, so it was Sunday on 2006, 1st January. So on 31st December 2005, it was Saturday. Now number of days from 2006 to 2009, odd days, number of odd days would be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, and I have already explained the concept of calculating odd days, so that is 5 days. Now on 31st January 2009 it was Thursday, so on 1st Jan 2010 it would be Friday. Well, if you are confused with the odd days concept, let me tell you that if on 1st January it was Sunday, then next year on 1st January it will be Monday, because one day is forwarded. So let's give you homework problem for the next part, and we will solve those other questions of calendar in the next part. So this is the homework problem. The answer is already provided, but you need to solve the question and leave your answers in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.